ABT presents two-level conversations. A culinary adventure, mastering the art of saag paneer. Vocabulary, recipe, ingredients, spinach, spices, flavors, chili powder. Now that you have practiced the vocabulary and you make a picture in your mind, let's start. A culinary adventure, mastering the art of saag paneer.
Welcome everyone to a delicious journey into the vibrant world of Indian cuisine. Today we'll be making a classic dish, saag paneer, a delightful combination of spinach and creamy paneer cheese. Now before we dive in, let's gather our ingredients. First, we'll need a good bunch of fresh spinach. Don't worry if you have a little extra. More spinach means a richer, more vibrant sauce. Next, we need about 200 grams of paneer cheese cube. You can find paneer at most Indian grocery stores or substitute firm tofu if paneer isn't available. To build the base of our flavors, we'll use a few tablespoons of vegetable oil, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of chili powder, adjust according to your spice preference, and a generous amount of garam masala. Don't forget a few cloves of garlic, finely chopped, and a medium chopped onion. Ginger lovers, feel free to add a little grated ginger for an extra kick. Finally, we'll need a can of diced tomatoes, a cup of heavy cream or coconut milk for a lighter option, and salt to taste. Now let's get cooking. Heat the oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the cumin seeds. Listen for the delightful popping sound, a sign they're releasing their wonderful aroma. Once the cumin seeds sizzle, throw in the chopped onion and cook until softened. Then add the garlic and ginger if using and cook for another minute. Here comes the spice magic. Add the turmeric powder, chili powder, and garam masala, stirring well to coat the onions. Let the spices bloom for a few seconds, releasing their fragrant essence. Next, add the chopped spinach and cook until wilted. This shouldn't take too long, just a minute or two. Pour in the diced tomatoes and bring to a simmer. Let it simmer for 5-7 minutes, allowing the flavors to melt. Remember, patience is key. While the sauce simmers, mash the cooked spinach mixture with a hand blender or in batches in your regular blender for a smoother consistency. You can leave it a little chunky if you prefer a more rustic texture. Return the pureed sauce to the pan, add the cubed paneer cheese and a little water if needed to adjust the thickness. Season with salt to taste. Finally, stir in the heavy cream or coconut milk and simmer for another 2-3 minutes to allow everything to heat through. And there you have it. Your delicious saag paneer is ready to be enjoyed alongside fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread. So, unleash your inner chef, experiment with a little creativity, and enjoy the vibrant flavors of India. See you next time, friends.
Now, let's practice. In the description section, you can find the link of the material for this audio. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Leave it in the comments. We'll be happy to help you. For extra material or tips, don't forget to visit our Instagram or our fan page on Facebook. That's all for today. If you enjoy it, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.